Start your day with the rich aroma of pure delight. This is Honeybird Premium Ceylon coffee, a smooth, bold, medium roast crafted from 100% pure Ceylon beans. Each sip awakens your senses. Each cup brings the warmth you deserve. For just 700 rupees, enjoy a daily brew that's naturally aromatic, beautifully balanced, and truly unforgettable. Visit the EVRBLISS Eco-Concept Showroom or order online through our website EVRBLISS.com or Uber or PickMe. Wake up to a flavor you'll fall in love with.